I remember when Adobe was ahead when it came to AI, but nowadays tools like theirs simply don't cut it. Their results look unrealistic. Weird feet, over smooth skin and zero emotional depth. And I don't want to spend my editing income in 15 different AI tools. That would be a waste. Now, what if you don't have to? What if all these tools, all the complexity, all the cost disappeared into one single platform? This is Imagine Art. It has all the latest image and video models in one place. Imagine Art's interface looks super clean and intuitive. On the left sidebar, you got everything from image generation to video generation, workflows, pre-built apps like this cool product shots preset, which is incredible by the way. There's literally no learning curve, you'll understand how to use this in just a few minutes. Or after watching this video. Let's start with workflows. This is the most professional way of using AI generation possible. A workflow that's basically a chain of different AI tasks applied in a certain order to achieve a result that no other platform does. You can choose to use a pre-built workflow that you can adjust to your liking, or you can start empty and create one from scratch. Today we're gonna do both. First, I want to get you guys familiar with workflows, so we're gonna create something very small and simple. So let's click on Create New Workflow. This will then be like an empty playfield or canvas where you can make a creative pipeline. Everything in here is node-based. To add one, double-click in your canvas, and that will open up a menu with all your options. You get text nodes, which you can use for instructions. You get Generate Image nodes, which are meant for image generation, of course, with all these different models, and of course, video generation, with again an endless amount of models to choose from. Let's make something simple just to make you understand this workflow. First, let's add a text prompt. I like to use the Copilot because that one actually writes prompts for me using one of these models. Let's pick ChatGPT. Alright, here we have our first node. Before we type anything, let's double click again and add an image generation node. Let's use Google Nano Banana. Alright, and now we can connect our prompt with the image generator. Now whatever we type in here will be generated by this node. Let's ask ChatGPT to write me a detailed prompt to generate an image of an energy drink can with mango as the main ingredient. Super random. ChatGPT can come up with a catchy brand name for me. Let's go. Alright, that's awesome. Now all you gotta do is click Run in the image generation node. And there you go. Isn't that awesome? I just basically created a new brand. Premier Basics energy drink. Now let's turn this into an ad video. Double click and open up the video generation node. There you go. In the properties panel, you can select a model of choice. Let's pick VO 3.1. And for the duration, let's pick 4 seconds. That's enough. Resolution 1080p, and there you go. Now let's connect the image node to the video node. That way it knows what the first frame of the video should look like. Now we still have to give our generator instructions, just like we did with the image generator. To do that, double click and open up another text or Copilot node. Connect the prompt to the video generator, and this time I'm gonna tell ChatGPT this. I have a reference frame of an energy drink. Write me a detailed prompt I can use in Google VO to turn it into a video. Click send, and there we have our prompt. Great. Next, click Run. Wait a few minutes, and there you go. A brand video for my new energy drink, Mango Surge. All of this in just a few minutes. This is insane. And the cool thing is that you can duplicate this workflow, and everything you just did, you can use it again to create something else. Now we'll get back to this workflow later in this video. Now that you understand the basics, let's try the pre-built workflows I mentioned earlier. You can choose so many different ones, but since we're in the energy drink marketing niche, let's pick this one. Before entering this workflow, you can preview the pre-built workflow in here, and once you're ready, click on Duplicate. This will create a copy of the workflow that you can customize as you wish. So on the left, you can see input images that you can feed this workflow, and on the right, you can see the image and videos generated with the input images in mind. Now what I want to do is change the input images. Let's zoom in a bit. The environment is okay with me. I think it's really cool. For the product, I want to replace the Huel drink with the energy drink we created earlier, Mango Surge. You can upload an image from your computer, or you can go to your assets on Imagine Art, and this is where you'll find the image of the energy drink and everything you ever generated, by the way. And there you go. Alright, one more thing. Next, I want to replace this person with my face, so that I'll be the talent in the end result. I uploaded a picture of me from my computer, and there you go. Now I will be the one drinking my own drink. That came out Weird. Now, first we can do two things. You can create new prompts in the AI Copilot that will of course change how the video looks. Or you can keep the prompts in here, but you do have to press send again. That way it looks at the newly imported input images and uses them to generate a new video or picture. Let's generate a new image first. Click run. And there you go. Look at how awesome this is. Now let's turn that into a video. Again, click on run and wow, that is amazing. I mean, what? Now we're gonna do the same thing with our talent. Click on run and once it's done, it should show a picture of me drinking mango surge. That looks so cool and scary. Alright, now it's time to run the video model. Oh my lord, that looks amazing. I just created a new brand and a short advertisement by prompting. Can you believe that? Now I want to create another ad for Mango Search, so let's go back to the workspace we created from scratch. Maybe we can create a video of Mango Search floating in space, you know, those awesome close-up. And then for the second video, we can do a medium shot of an astronaut trying to grab the can or something. Super random, but we're gonna try it. First, we're gonna adjust our prompt. This time, I want the colors to be purple instead of orange. And of course, I want to keep the name Mango Search. And I want it to float in space. When your prompt is done, you click on Run and look at that. Exactly what I was looking for. Now, to turn this into a video, we're gonna adjust the prompt for the video generator. I'm gonna tell it exactly what I want to see. I want the drink to float in space very slowly, rotating, and it has to be a close-up shot. And oh my, look at that. This is the exact video I had in my brain. However, I want it to be 16:9 and a little longer. Luckily, I can adjust the video by selecting it in the properties panel. I can make the adjustments I want to make and then click on run selected. Once it's done, you'll get this. This looks so cool. Alright, next we're gonna create the second shot, which is the astronaut. Let's start with adding a new prompt node. That way we can prompt the astronaut into existence. And of course a new image generation node to generate the astronaut. Let's connect them and ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt. This is what I came up with. Perfect. Then click on run and look at the result. That looks amazing. The next step is combining both the pictures into one. To do that, let's add a new image node like this. There we go. And let's connect the energy drink as a reference image and also the astronaut as a reference image. Now we're gonna add another AI Copilot to create a new prompt. And of course, connect it with the image node. Now let's ask ChatGPT for another prompt, kinda explain briefly what we want Nano Banana Pro to do with the pictures, and once you're ready, click on run. Okay, we're getting there. The only thing left to do is turn this into a video. To do that, double click in your canvas again and add a video generation node. To stay consistent, I'll choose the VO model again. The duration 6 seconds, resolution 1080p, and aspect ratio 69. Then connect the combined image as a starting frame. Oh, that reverts the aspect ratio. Let's put it back to 69. Okay, and now it's time to add another prompt to generate our video. Let's connect it. And oh wait, I just realized I can just use the last prompt because that's exactly what I need. Let me connect them and then click on run. Once it's done, the result will be awesome. I mean, look at that. We now have 2 awesome shots for our energy drink. To think that you can do this with anything, you can just snap a picture of an object with your phone, upload it to ImagineArt, and do the same thing. It's awesome. Now, besides workflows, I want to show you some really fun stuff that I really like. With ImagineArt, you can create amazing CGI ads, like this product between buildings, for example, or the Essence revealed effect. This right here is my RDX 4090. It's broken, unfortunately. That's why it's out of my computer. So it's basically decoration now. Well, I snapped a picture of it, uploaded it to ImagineArt, and these are the results. But yeah, you can do this with anything. You can put yourself in GTA, or turn yourself into a rapper. You can upload a simple image of yourself and create an awesome video like this. I mean, this is just mind-blowing. I actually like this picture so much that I used it on Instagram. Another example, this is a picture of my car. I know, the picture is ugly. Don't. But with ImagineArt, you can change the color of your car. The details on this are insane. Now I want to wrap my car in red. Thank you, ImagineArt. Now, if you work alongside others like I do, ImagineArt for Themes is a game changer. One subscription can be used by up to 40 members, and you can create workspaces, invite team members, assign credits to people, and collaborate in real time. No downloading, no sending files back and forth, no switching tools. Everything stays together in one place. Now, if you're serious about AI UGC or automated content that actually looks real, this is one of the smartest setups you can use right now. Just go ahead and try it out for yourself. If you want, you can use my affiliate link in the description down below. I will get a small percentage of every sale, which is a great way to support the channel. But if you don't want to use the link in the description, just go ahead and look it up on Google. You won't regret it. Imagine art as a tool that blew my socks off, and that's why I decided to make a video about it. I hope this video helps you guys save some cash and perhaps make some money and of course, make better videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.